everyone to Vidyajyoti campus. Vidyajyoti school had a very humble beginning in the year 2000, and in the journey of this 20 years, this institution has reached many milestones. And this is a result of the hard work of everyone associated with this institution, the staff, the parents, the children, and also the management. Now, I take this opportunity to appreciate and thank everyone who was associated with the institution in the past 20 years.
Jai Hind everyone, this is Captain Samrat Sharma and I'm a proud alumni of Vidyajyoti School, batch 2010-11. I joined the school back in 2005 in 7th class, and since my joining of Vidyajyoti School there has been all highs in my life, and I would like to take this opportunity to tell you all that this school provides you the greatest opportunities. It has provided me responsibilities and opportunities to groom myself, to groom myself as an individual, in my communication skill, my total personality, and because of the values that the school has taught me, I have been able to achieve my aim, and I am currently right now providing to this institute whatever I can provide, whatever I have learned from Vidyajyoti school, and that is all because of the time the teaching and the non-teaching staff provide you in the school, and the opportunities, the responsibilities they provide you. And I'll be very grateful for all the things, all the efforts they have put in me so that I would do this right now. And I'm very grateful, and I like to pay my regards and respect to all my teaching and non-teaching staff there. And I'm very thankful that they have provided me this opportunity to share my experience of Vidyajyoti School with you all. And at last, I would like to say you all Jai Hind.
Now we are into a new mode of education because of the COVID-19. Previously, we had someone to monitor our studies, but now the children need to take self-responsibility. The responsibility of learning is on your heads now. There will not be anyone to monitor you, but we need to continue learning so that when everything become all right, we come out of this pandemic, there will be a new kind of learning, new experience we have. I welcome everyone to this institution, especially the students, and I request all of you to keep learning, taking the responsibility on yourself. The teachers are there to guide you, the teachers are there to help you, but the responsibility ultimately lies on you.
Hi, myself Sajal Datsena. It was a great experience studying in this school. I started my journey from class 2nd onwards. Being a part of this school gave me a great opportunity to explore myself. The campus here is very good, which provides a great studying experience and friendly environment. The faculty here is also very good. It was because of their continuous guidance and support that I was able to get good marks in my 12th boards. The 10 years in this school was best part of my life.
My name is Japnit Kaur Joshi. I have scored 94.6% in 12th board examination. It was possible only because of the guidance, support and support of the teachers, principal and everyone of this family. I was been part of the school for the past 15 years and it was a wonderful experience to be part of the VGS family. Everyone here is very supportive and encouraging wherever you need, whenever you need them in your life. Teachers are very good and they are constantly supporting me to score good marks in academics academics in school examination as well as board examination. Our school, VJS school, have been exploring new things every year which help us to become the best school in the region.
My name is Anushka Rai. I have scored 93.8% in my class 12 board examination. This was only possible because of the support and guidance of my beloved principal, teachers and whole VJS family. I have spent 15 years of my life in this school, which is so precious to me. The teachers here are equally passionate about our dreams as we are. I really want to thank each and every one of the whole VJS family. Thank you.
This is Drishti Jain. I am from Commerce stream and I have scored 93.6% in my 12th CBSE board exams. I have been a part of the school since my nursery class, and throughout my journey I have experienced the selfless love, care, support of the entire VJS family. I am going short of words to express my heartfelt thankfulness and gratitude towards this whole family, because whatever I am, wherever I am standing and whatever identity I have got till now is just because of this family and my entire teachers. This 15 years of life will be most memorable to me, and I've been blessed to be a part of this VJS family. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Sahitya Singh. I scored 96.8% marks in my class 10 board examination. I heartily thank all my teachers and principal for constantly encouraging and supporting me. When I joined the school in 5th standard, from then on, my teachers and principal have constantly encouraged me to score excellent marks in all my examination. I have been a part of this VGS family for the last 6 years, which has proved to be the best part of my life. I have created some beautiful memories while being a part of this family, and I hope to create still more.
My name is Riya Datsin and I have been in this school from LKG, and in my 12 years school life experience I have seen this school touching heights from education to sports in every aspect, and this school has provided me with various platforms to explore myself. The school campus is with a friendly environment. The teachers here are very friendly and helped me and also guided me in every aspect of my life.
Hi everyone, I'm Arzu Rangari and I scored 94.6% in my class 10th board, and it was all because of the support and blessing of my teachers and principal. I have been the part of this institution from 6th standard, and I have got lot of opportunities to show my talent through the extracurricular activities which the school has arranged for us. It is all because of my teachers who have supported me a lot to prepare for my board exams. Once again, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to my teachers and my colleagues. Thank you.
I congratulate all my dear students of class 10th and 12th for their good performance in the board examination of 2019-20. You made yourself, your parents and the school proud. I congratulate you once again. All the best. Well done.
These days, parents ask us, when will the school reopen? The parents who are eagerly waiting for the school to reopen really knows a child learns his or her life lessons from the school, not only arithmetic and alphabets. A child learns to adjust and adapt. A child learns to compete and complement. A child learns to respect and represent at school. I would like to thank the efficient and enthusiastic Vidya Jyoti school staff for creating an atmosphere of family and lovingly guiding each child to explore far and wide and nurturing each child. It gives immense joy to watch our children blossom. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the students keeping our tradition, you came out with flying colors. I would like to convey my best wishes to all the students for the new academic session. God bless us all.
CBSE has declared its result of class 12th on 13th July, and the students of Vidyajyoti have done commendable performance in the examinations. I congratulate all the students who has done well in the examinations, especially all the toppers. I'm happy to say that 12 students scored above 90%, and we have a student with 100 out of 100 in biology. I congratulate all the students, their parents, and the teachers who worked behind for their success. And the results of class 10th was declared on 15th July, and the students of class 10th also have done very well. 10 students scored above 90, and 120 students have scored first division. I congratulate the parents for motivating the students, and the teachers for encouraging and making them work, and the students for doing all the hard work. And this is a challenge for the coming batches. You need to learn, though we don't have the regular classes, and you need to prepare yourself so that you can repeat the performance of the batch in the coming years. To the future students, I have only one request. The whole world is looking at you for new energy, for new motivation. And our teachers are always ready to support you, provided you cooperate with the teachers. And the parents are there to stand behind you. They are always there to support you. So when you cooperate with your parents and with your teachers, you are always going to be successful in your life. Once again, congratulations to each and every student, and all the best for your great future.